pump is the one that cleans the pool.
It pushes out everything to move the water.
So what is this?
That's the dirt that was on top of the water, all the stuff that was on top of the water.
How did it get in there when it's big?
It's coming. What do you mean how? It's got a hole right in here.
Oh. Oh, okay.
The pumps and everything pushing the water this way. And then
there's lots of
They're gonna clean it tomorrow anyway.
Who?
They are.
Pool people?
Yeah. They have to do an initial clean.
What is that?
Bonding.
Bonding?
Yeah, it's called bonding. It's copper.
What does it do?
Well, it stops you from getting electrocuted around the pool.
Yeah.
See the wire that goes all the way around the pool? It covers the entire backyard.
So it will be under the...
It'll be under the concrete.
Under
the concrete is going to be, will come about 6 inches high from that pool itself.
So it will stop us from getting electrocuted, you said?
You got all this stuff over here.
Because the copper
it's all tied in. All this is tied into that also. And then that ladder, that rail will also.
What rail?
The handrail.
Is what?
It will be tied into all this also.
To this bond? B-O-N-D?
Yeah. And this is the pump itself. See, this right here is already dirty. They got to clean this.
So what is this?
This is the brains of the whole operation.
Let me see.
You have your heater.
Which one? This one is the heater?
The heater. Then you have your salt chlorinator.
Salt chlorinator.
Yeah. Then you have your sand filter.
Which one?
This big thing right here.
Sand filter?
Yeah. Because it's filled with sand for about right here. Then water. Water comes in there, it goes through. Comes in there, goes through the filter and comes out through the heater. Then you have your pump right here, which you can see is dirty already. And then this is the brain where you can hook up if you got like a TV or something.
Why I don't see Connie's like that?
She has like this. You don't see hers. I mean, she doesn't have this type of filter. Hers is old school. She don't have a heater. She don't have that. All she has is this right here and a filter.
But the pool will be really, really clean.
Yeah, it's gonna be really clean.
That's my only
This tells the
concern.
temperature of the pool.
So right now it's 84?
No, it's set to go to 84, but right now it's on 53. But it's not on.
Ah, it's not on.
No.
Even if it's on, it's not on. You can still see the temp.
Right.
So the actual temp of the water is
53 degrees.
Oh,
And we want to get it up to 84 degrees.
84. I like 84. It's nice.
This is the power.
Electrical power?
Yeah. This runs into the box in the house, in the garage. I'm gonna put a lock on it.
What is this for?
The power outlet, if you'd like for that.
Oh, outlet. Can you open it?
Like for the
Plug, you wanna play some
for
music?
the pool, yeah. For the pump to clean the bottom of the pool. I mean the robot.
What is
salt, extra salt. This is that rail.
rail for the pool?
Yeah. And if we didn't have that robotic cleaner, this is what we would use. This stuff right here.
Oh, that's what Connie has.
Yeah, this is right here. You got the scrubber. Everything. This is what they're going to use tomorrow.
To clean the pool?
Yeah.
So the pool will be like really, really clean?
Yeah. Oh, this is a test kit to test your water. It's going to be the water is going to be so clear you're not even going to think you can even drink that. You can't drink it though.
I hope so. I hope so.
But it deodorizes, cleans the water.
It will be as clean as Connie.
Yeah, it will be
Connie's
way cleaner
pool.
than hers. You won't see anything in this pool. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this with gravel and then put trees,
Yeah,
little trees. On.
gravel is good so it will not be dusty or muddy.
And plus it'll cut down on the sod that we would have to use. 'Cause we got to put a lot of sod. I think we'll put the sod actually around the.
And the retaining wall will be there.
Yeah. It's gonna be there. It's gonna change. He's gonna put a French drain in there.
Retaining
so all
wall
the water
close by the
all
porch.
the water will drain out to the front side.
Hi, Killer Princess.
Get it.
Hey, Killer Princess.
Oh, she teasing your previous name, your pre-adoption name. Oh.
She used to be named Killer Princess. Now we name her Marina. Hey, stop! Stop licking me. She's trying to lick me every time.
Over there eating grass. This right here, if there's groundwater, water in the ground, every pool has this. They're gonna cut it. They're gonna cut it. It's gonna look like that.
And then what is that? What
If
does
you got
that do?
groundwater, you have to sump it out. You have to get a pump to sump it out because if you don't, the pool is gonna rise up. So you can tell there's nothing in here now because you hear that? You're hitting nothing but dirt. They got gravel underneath. It's like this.
It's probably it's like an exhaust. What
It's
is
like
that?
if there's groundwater, that groundwater is gonna come in here. That's how you know you got water around the pool.
Ah, okay. So it's deep.
It's deep. It goes below the pool. About 6 feet.
What if this copper wire
The copper
got
wire-
rusted? Does it rust?
No.
It doesn't rust.
It's gonna be encased in cement. This cement is about this thick.
So it will not be accidentally cut.
No, it's impossible.
This is really cute. It's like really clean. This is clean. I like these stones.
Put that along the wall back there. Put those little flower trees in there that grow up a certain height.
What about enclose the whole pool with the gravel after the concrete?
Because I want to put a fence. I want to put a fence.
Oh, you will fence
around
this
it.
pool?
Yeah, to keep the dogs. You know, when people come. I want to have a section where the dogs can go by themselves.
Yeah.
Use the bathroom.
I just came out here to check how the pool lighting look like at night when the light is on. Is it on already? Is it on? Why you don't turn it on? Oh, it's on already? Is the light on? Oh, it's not too much. Well, only this side only?
Yeah, you only need one side.
Nothing on that side, so I have to go on that other side. What color is that? Oh, red. Ooh, different colors. Green. Right now it's green. What else? Blue. This one is the moon reflection. Okay, now it turns red. Yeah. Why the bottom of the pool looks like it's green? Are you doing Oh, it's remote control. I thought it's like automatically change.
It does change by itself. I just hit the remote to change. I'm not touching it right now.
Okay. So one side only, the light.
We don't put them on both sides.
Oh, okay.
It said normally people don't point it towards the house.
So it will be like good if I swim underwater. Okay, looks good. So that's how the pool look like at night.